Hi, this is Meggan Jacks, Creative Memories Independent Advisor, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty corner border. I've shown it here with the new fall collection called Hello Autumn, and I'll have another sample to show you in a few minutes from a different collection that looks super cute too. The first thing we're going to do is this corner border set uses an 8x8 piece of paper. The first step you would do is go ahead and take your 8x8 piece of paper and you would cut it on the diagonal to form two triangles. We're going to use one of the triangles to make our first corner. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal cut partially through the triangle itself. We're going to line it up. I'm going to line it up with my cut line here at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn my trimmer sideways. And this is going to allow me to see this white line that tells me where my trimmer blade is cutting, because I want to make sure I go right here to about 4 1/4. That's where I'm going to stop my cut. So coming here from 0 to 4 1/4. So I'm going to double check that I've got this lined up. I'm flush along the edge here, and I'm going to go ahead and trim to 4 1/4. Now the next step is I'm going to go ahead and swap out my blade. I'm going to switch over here to the scoring blade, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to line it up here at the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line it up at 1 inch, and I'm going to score a line down to my cut point. If it goes past a little bit, that's okay. I'm going to switch it over to the other side, and I'm going to score 1 inch on the opposite edge. Now, you could do these folds by hand, but I like nice crisp corners, and so I find that I get them better if I use my scoring blade. So if you are going to fold by hand, you would need to do a 1 inch fold. But since I've already used my trimmer to score, it's going to be an easy fold for me to do. Now, I'm a little off here in my corner. It's not a big deal. You're going to see I use some embellishment stickers, anything to put there to kind of cover up that little bit of a mistake. So not a problem at all. So now I've got my first flaps done. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to mark on my edge opposite of the corner. I'm going to mark with a pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead and go back to my trimmer, and I'm going to line this up. I'm going to find my pencil mark. Here's my pencil mark at the top. I'm going to bring it down so that I can get an angle score. Once again, I'm still using my scoring blade. So I've got it at the top here where my pencil line is, and I have rotated it here at the bottom to make sure that I'm going to score to make an angle fold here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Got my pencil line here at the top. I'm going to bring this in on my fold line. Now I can see my score line for my fold is right here, and that's where I'm going to go ahead and score from the pencil line to where this corner is. I can go ahead and set my trimmer aside. So now I'm going to fold it back towards the middle. That the scoring allowed me to do that nice and easy. This last fold I'm going to go ahead and do by hand. Just like I would start almost with a paper airplane, I'm going to kind of start down here at the point, and I'm going to keep it. I want a nice sharp corner that follows this angle, but I want it to meet at the edge here. I don't want it to overlap past the edge because it's going to be on the corner of the paper or the edge of the paper. And I will repeat the same thing on the other side. Once again, starting in this corner like you would almost like a paper airplane. And then I want to not have it overlap in the corner. And you can see here how I've got the fold. So now I will use just a little bit of adhesive to secure the folds. And now it's all set to go on to my 12 by 12 paper. Like I said, my corner here is not as neat as I would like it to be, but that's okay. I can use embellishment stickers, any other fun thing to put there at the corner. So once again, I'm going to bring you back to see the Hello Autumn sample that I made. You can see here where I've used the embellishments in the corner. I don't have anything really stuck down on here. So you can see that that corner it's not perfect either, but just some really cute embellishments work great. Another sample, I have another sample here using the Advisor exclusive paper. It's a called Summer Days Texture Pack. Has this really fun ice cream paper. That there was also a double-sided waffle cone with this cute blue and white check pattern. So I thought that was really fun to do. I used the stickers from the Electric Summer collection. So this is a cute combination together. If you're interested in the Summer Days Texture Pack, talk to your favorite advisor, send me a message. We'll be happy to hook you up with that pack of paper. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make these corner borders and give it a shot, and I will see you soon.